Hi guys, here is the Pojavlauncher tutorial. Go to Play Store or App Store. Search for Pojavlauncher. I'm just going to skip this, so irritating. Click OK. And if you want to play offline, just watch me do it. Add your name because you need it, and mine is simple. And don't put any password. Click Keep Me Logged In and log in as an offline account. Then click Login. And click the version you want to play. You can play 1.16.5 app. You just need to install the file and play 1.18. Mine is 1.12.2. And click play. Here we go again, skipping the vid. Almost there. Yeah. And you can play with mouse, so I will teach you guys how to make mouse smaller and make it run faster at the end of the video. I'm just going to make it fast for you guys. 3x going in. There you go. Click single player, then create world and select which gammy mode you want. After that, click play. 3 again. By the way, you can skip the vid. Yay, we are in a little bit lag, but it's fine, just wait, because it is loading chunks. Let's check the buttons if they are working. All of them is working. I'm going to teach you now how to quit and adjust the mouse. find Pojavlauncher and follow what I'm doing. By the way, guys, please subscribe and share my vids so we can reach to 10 subs. Please help me, it's my new channel. And you guys can all comment what tutorial you want and games that I will play. Bye guys, peace, no outro, and I will make an outro if we reach 50 subs.